What's your name?
I'm Steve Hurst.
And you were doing some photography for tonight?
Just about everything.
But how was your experience listening and hearing what you heard tonight?
It was kind of emotional because I was right there in it, man.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago, and I was in, like during the 60s, and I'm almost 60 right now, so, it's like what was going through my mind at that time was I'm kind of angry at this generation of people. I don't know if I should be looking at the lens or at you.
The lens, either way.
Okay, but I'm just angry that the kids don't know what's going on in the world today. And I talked to them. I even talked to a group of teenagers who had never known that there was slavery in America.
That's shocking.
Yeah, there was two guys and a girl, and the girl knew about slavery, and she was appalled that these two guys who were like 17 years old didn't know about slavery.
Black guys?
Huh?
Black guys, white guys?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, somebody's tried to erase out of our history, maybe. Or you just think it was ignorance? They just didn't know.
I think it was just total ignorance. And like one of the guys said that he's sick of hearing about Martin Luther King and Malcolm X. He said it's not going to put any food in my stomach. It's not going to put any wheels under my butt. So it's a different level of concern nowadays. I mean, this is a story that should be seen in the hood, man.
All right, thank you very much.